YW's innovative capabilities and passionate people set us apart, making YW a professional design and manufacturing company established in 2013. YW is an ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certified automated manufacturing facility, providing electrical connectors and cable assemblies to the industrial automation and control, industrial robotics, medical, telecommunication, and database, medical, aerospace, and military markets worldwide. Our main products include a wide range of D-subconnectors, circular connectors, such as M8, M9, M12, M16, M23, cable assembly, and board-to-board connectors. With 35 series and over 30,000 varieties, customers from Europe, America, Japan, Asian, and Middle East have been highly trusted and recognized by our connectors. Located in Guangdong, China, YW's quality policy objectives are focused on providing excellence products to each customer. Our mission is to be the first choice in tailored electrical connection solutions for industrial application worldwide. Some of our core connector technologies greatly reduce costs, with a focus on designing for manufacturability, global competitiveness, and project management that allows our customers to go to market quicker than their competitors. YW's design department is equipped with the latest software technology, and we provide rapid prototyping 3D printed resolutions for customers. Our overmolding department uses high-speed automation and tight tolerances to provide connector and cable assemblies that are professionally, ergonomically, and intuitively styled that can be water and shock-proof designed. YW utilizes printing equipment to customize any connector or cable assembly with any custom design to ensure that our product gets to you as safe as it left our factory. YW is a quality-focused organization with a certified quality management system. Our strengths include designing quality into the process, which eliminates non-value-added inspection,